Arches National Park is a place of geologic marvels, where giant pillars of sand have been shaped and carved over time into incredible rock features. Come join me on the Devil's Garden Trail, which leads to several remarkable examples of these wonders of nature. All right, well, another Arches trail. So this is the Devil's Garden Trailhead, and this is probably one of the larger trails in the park. I'm not gonna be taking the whole thing, but there's about 5 or 6 different arches that you can reach from this trail. So today I'm just gonna go onto that trail and just kind of wander some of these places and see what amazing sandstone formations we can find out here. Come join me. The trail into Devil's Garden passes through 2 towering red sandstone cliffs. Off of the main trail, side trails lead to 2 unique and beautiful arches, Tunnel Arch and Pine Tree Arch. Tunnel Arch, named for obvious reasons, forms a spectacular hole in the rock, giving views into the sky beyond. After Tunnel Arch, Pine Tree Arch. Pine Tree Arch forms a colossal spectacle, appearing as massive columns reinforced by armor. This area is truly the ancients' domain, towering giants of petrified sand constructed into nature's cathedrals. From Pine Arch, I worked my way up the trail to Landscape Arch, an arch much more graceful and delicate in its beauty. Arches National Park was truly a place of epic wonder, and one I'm sure I'll be seeing again in my journeys. In the next video, we move from the towering geologic wonders of Arches National Park to the remarkable chasms of Canyonlands. Until then, wander in wonder.